Yeah, I was just gonna show y'all the creek again. See how it's all out of the bed, all back in the woods, all back behind me. I had to walk through a little water just to get to this little island I'm on right here. As you can see, it's very small, and then the rest of it, this water all the way around. So I probably gonna have to cut it short today. No fishing trip, man. I hate this, but it is what it is. But like you say, I was looking at having a little fun today, putting a little fishing on. I had fish with my grandbaby, so I was gonna finish it off with a little fishing. I couldn't find nobody to fish with me. You know how that is. People don't wanna get in this muckety muck, you know. And cause see, you always down to your boots in mud. And it's kind of hard to pull your boots out, and can't get nobody to fish with you. So I had to come by myself. Then I'm gonna call it skull fishing when I have to be by myself like this. You know, I hate to do it, but I got my cell phone, you know, and if anything happen, I can call somebody, hopefully. But I'm on State Highway 819, and well, 118, excuse me. And man, it's so bad. I mean, boy, I hate this. I just show you all the water all the way around, all the way up to the bridge. And I don't want to fish under the bridge because it's hard to get to the bridge now with all this water out. So I'm gonna try to fish right here for a second. I'm gonna show you my little setup right here. I fish tight line down here in Georgia, in Mokalee. The wrong way you do that is the fish, they kind of respond better when you don't have the cork. See, I have a tight line right here, no cork. See, it's just a Georgetown lead right there. My number 4 eagle claw hook, and my 13-foot brim buster. I got my bucket, you know, what I cut out. Got a little top on it where I can sit down if I want to fish. I got my little cutout right here so I can put my fish in. Got a little my trusty machete right here. And this is my 13-foot brim buster. That's all I need when I come down here. But I should have brought my reel, but I didn't think about it was gonna be like this. So I probably could cast out and try to fish out there for a minute, but then I wouldn't really be catching them with catfish. And I really didn't come for catfish. You know what we came down here for? Them red belly brim. And well, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to them today, but I'm gonna fish right here for a second. If I get a little bite or two, I might put it on film, but I just hate this, folks. Thought I was gonna be able to have a nice little Saturday, but this water kind of got me where I could try to go further, but man, it's gonna be so much work, and then I probably won't be able to catch fish. So that's why I say I'm gonna just pack it up and go home, man, and probably tinker around the house. I can find something I need to do. But this is very disappointing. I was just showing y'all how muck done ran out of the bed, and I don't know if I'll be able to get any fishing done today. But I'll fish here for a second, and if not, I'll just head on back home. Yeah, I hate it, folks, but that's how the cookie crumbles. Then you know how we do. We hate when we can't be what? Bulldogging. Okay. I'll get back with you if I could make a little catch or not. I'll just pack it up.